What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend, tell a friend. We're out here. We are doing it.
Right, I make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father. I make we lift up the world, yeah.
Take a look at the world.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry. And we're back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar. We're out here. We are doing it. And we're quarantined down. We don't stay out of the place. Down on the beach, I go and hold it like a true G. You see me, so. The beach empty, so we do say risky. You see me? So we just take a early morning dip in the water and go back in our place, lock down back again, because quarantine down. So let's comment your point on the virus we are going around. Yeah, we don't really get to any of the virus thing. So yeah. So we remember one little thing where they work one day. Long time. But they are not long time. We were there recently. But they work one day. A long time I want to ask this question. Alright. But they work. And it's like, but they work like this. And I look for curry mutton. Yeah. You know curry mutton. In Jamaica we have curry mutton, we have curry goat. So one lady, big lady coming and ask this question. You know the lady I got ask you know. Big woman, you know. Respectable lady, you know. Cause I tell you. I want school me there now, because I work with a catering company. You see me? So it's like them switch location every now and then them send me go this, them send me go this. So yeah, but there I want school and art school I work. Yeah. Can't tell you now which art school. But there I want art school I work and thing right now. So lady goes to boom and ask this question. People no, bear with me now. The lady asks this question. The lady asks me if the mutton imported or a local mutton. I feel like, yo, I say, for a while, I did it, I have to go to my supervisor. I'm have to ask her the question. Can't tell her what she said, because, you see me? But, the lady, how can you be a Jamaican and ask that question? If the mutton local or imported, Jamaican don't have mutton. Do, alright. I don't say so. People, comment below. Jamaican have mutton? Yeah, people, comment below. Jamaican have mutton? Because me know Jamaican have no mutton, but me don't know everything. So, wanna comment and tell me right below there, so. Comment and tell me. Yeah. So, that the lady asked me. So, I'm like, I did it for a while, I can't answer her. I said, how am I answer that question? Alright, she not really, here's the truth, she not really asked me. She asked one of the server. And the server can ask, so she got to ask the chef. And the lady asked me. I'm like, I have to tell her, I say, yo, I don't know how to answer that question then. Because as a Jamaican, how the hell you supposed to ask a question like that? Why you ask a question like that? We don't have mutton. We have mutton in Jamaica, we don't have mutton in Jamaica. We have goat. And the reason being why mutton look for at most restaurant and most catering company, because mutton cheaper. You can't afford goat to sell in a restaurant. Else, the price we are going to sell the goat for, Jamaican are going to ball. Jamaican don't like spend money. Yeah, right there some day. You are going to hear me right there some day. Them come and look at a restaurant, them come a restaurant and them you charge them some charge them for some things them make up them fix. Oh, this a dear and way. Go a 5-star restaurant and them pay the money for the same thing what we are do. You see me? So that's why something the chef go through a daytime. When they are 5-star restaurant, them pay the money. Yeah, people got hotel and them pay $4 grand for some liquor food. You see me? You do oxtail at Jamaica in a your restaurant and try sell it for 12 bills. Pay balling. Ray, blah, blah. You see me? People are ball. But make them go hotel Mandeville or in a Kingston and the food, them quickly spend them money for the same thing. You see me? The next thing Jamaican guy restaurant, them don't like wait, bruh. That's my problem. Them come and them expect say alright. Them order something, you have to just give them same time. Whereas when them come, you know fishes are done to order thing. So them don't want to wait. Some people wait, but not everybody. So this is a topic with the pan this week. Jamaican very impatient. Yeah. Them don't, you got KFC, you have to wait in a line. You have to take a number and you have to sit down and wait. But them come and one cook shop or one restaurant, a little restaurant, a little man with just a starting thing and I try build up. Them expect say yo, as them come them forget serve. Them not for wait. But yet still, them got KFC, them got mothers, them got them little thing, then them a take number, them a sit down and wait. You see me? Them got Island Grill, them a sit down and wait. But when they come and they look at restaurant them and they look at cook shop, then don't want to wait. You have to do better, Jamaican. You have to fight out, not fight people. Them. Anyways, alright, that for this week. So, not for this week, I'm not talking about this week. Eat that, yeah. So, remember, subscribe to the channel. Click the post notification. Your boy Henry back at it. Your boy Henry back at it again with another video. And we're up on the Lyson Beach. Yeah. The Lyson Beach. You know, St. Thomas is my place. We're up on the beach, you see me? And we just take one look quick dip and then we run back up our yard because a thief out to quarantine down and things, you see me? So remember, like, comment, like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. And I think me I left on off with in this world, with the work world, I know who work the hardest here and who work the smartest. So, no make no work kill you. My little brother always tell me, say, yo, when you go over hospital, where you sit on the bed, the man say, you know, say, no work on the bed, say, you can go and make work kill you. At the end of the day, the man came and reef and say, he was a hard working person, blah, blah. And enough of them don't know you. Kind of company where you are working, and enough of them don't have time to get to know you. But they want to work you to slavery. So, that we are left on off with. And who work the hardest or who work the smartest. Remember, subscribe. Peace. Till another video. Yeah man, your boy Henry. Back it with another